Welcome to another episode of the Pokémon Nuzlocke. I'm Mindlogged, and last episode we beat the gym leader of Lava Ridge and almost had the biggest spook of our life. So yeah, let's get to it. This old lady offered an egg, but I'm not sure who we should sideline. I'm thinking about Dustox, honestly. He's been a good one. He's been a good buddy. But I'm gonna deposit him in the box for now. So yeah, anyway, we do have a party of peeps here. Just in case we get messed up and lose a couple of people. So we have Chloe the Torkoal, we have Spin Daddy, we have Useless Dustox, we have Lunastone, we have Verosu, and we have Dustox, Isaac. So yeah, it's a good little party that we can bring back if we happen to perish horribly. But yeah. In any case, let's receive that egg from that lady. Thank you for the egg. I would love that egg. I wonder what it's gonna be. Stereotypically, it's gonna be a Togepi, which is huge. Togepis are awesome. I remember back in the old school anime, Misty had a Togepi, and that was a cute little bugger. But yeah, how do we use the Go Goggles? Yeah, meteorite. Anyway, let's see here. So now we have egg. Ooh. Now we can venture in here. Stardust, let's go. Sandshrew is gonna be our Pokemon. Let's go. Let's try to catch it and not brutally murder it, huh? Yup. Boy. Take a boit out of him. Oh! Let's go. That's fine, that's fine. We caught it. Nice, nice. Sandshrew has a very dry hide that is extremely tough. The Pokemon can roll into a ball that repels any attack. At night, it burrows into the desert sand to sleep. Heck yeah, we're giving it a name. Let me see, who am I? Who do I owe? Who do I owe a Pokemon to? Let me see here, let me see. Just one second. Alright, so, I have two potential, people. 0-0 and a warrior. So, I recently learned that I cannot find a Snorlax in Sapphire, which is super sorry. I'm gonna try to find a cuddly, amazing Pokemon that will rival that, but for now, Warrior, welcome to the team. Until I find Zero a good replacement for Snorlax, I will name this after you. Warrior. Boom. Welcome to the team, Warrior. Oh, I just skidded past them. Yahee! Okay. Oh, Trapinch. Man, why did I get the most bland Pokemon? Ah, that sucks, dude. I would have loved a Flygon or something. Oh well. Sometimes you can't pick what sometimes you can't pick what you're given. Which blows. But you know what? That's fine. Yee. Smack him. Yup. Boom. Got it. Alright, I'm gonna get off the bike. I need to get... Oh, okay, so... I guess I can fight him. Hi, you! Wearing these go goggles makes me feel like a superhero. Right now, nobody can beat me. Are you sure about that? I have a superstar team that is raring to go, bruh. A ball toy. Ah, shit. These guys self-destruct, don't they? I hate these. I hate these guys. No. Oh. Okay. Well, he didn't use self-destruct, so that's pretty good for me. What about Baltoy? Baltoy didn't get buffeted by the Sandstorm? What the hell? Another Baltoy. Let's have Jim in the fray, huh? Yes. Go, Jim. That's okay, Jim. Headbutt him. Boom! That's right, homie. A Sandshrew. Oh, V could handle this one. Go V! Yee! Let's go V! They're about to level up too. That's okay. A little buffer don't hurt nobody. Just heal off it. Just heal off it. Yahee! Jesus. Absolutely destroyed. Let's go. That level up is good. Spirit can't win alone, homie. Let's switch out for best snack. What is that? You found a root fossil. If this fossil is taken, the other one will sink into the sand. You found a claw fossil. If this fossil is taken, the other one will sink into the sand. Nope. Anyway, so comment in the comment section down below. Do you want the root fossil or the claw fossil? Tell me and I will get that. So yeah. That'll be the deciding factor whether I come back to these guys. So yeah. Hopefully they don't both sink. That would suck. That would suck if both of them sank. Like I had to choose like right then and there, but tell me in the comment section below what you think I should get, and I'll absolutely get it. Ooh, let's try out that. Ah, it missed. Aha, you can't poison a poison Pokemon, you fool. You foolish fool. Why doesn't that work? Oh. Alright. Ah. Sucks. Fine, whatever. Yeet. Oof. Ah, sand attack. Man. Secret power? No, why you gotta miss that, bro? Come on. Come on, best Snick. Let's go. Yes. Come on. This is not the hardest fight you've had, brother. There we go. Get him. Get him. Okay. I will need to heal up best Snick. Hunter should also get one. This song is groovy. I'm having a picnic in the desert. You can always find a trainer, so you can enjoy a battle here too. But you're getting sand up in your food, hun. All right, whatever. Yes, it worked. Paralyzation. Let's go. Oh no. You have a lot of health. Yeah, that was the optimal play. Bruh. Yeah. Ooh, paralyzing, can't move. That is the best situation. Dig had me terrified. Chomp. Alright. Walter, that's fine. No. Poison and Psychic is that. Not a good matchup. Balto would absolutely blast Best Snake out of the water. Unfortunately. I wish I could send it in, but I honestly don't want it to die. And it flinched. Let's go. Boom. Sorry. Bye-bye. Absolutely counterpicked you there. It's just, you know. Oh, you're mean. Yeah? Thanks. Ooh, okay. This is something that Best Snake can handle. Yeah, go Best Snake. Level up. Boom. That was almost death. Way to go. Well, what about secret power? What does secret power do here? Wow. Sure. Sure. Challenge me. Oh yes, those go goggles suit you, but I think they look better on me. Give them to me. It's just like, what? Ooh, this is gonna be an even match for best snake. Let's go, let's go. What? Ha. No! Suck! Ah! Oh, Jim has a thing. I'll check that out after his battle. And... yep. Sorry, bruh. What? You missed? What? You missed? Hunter, come on, shape up, brother. No, we lost the point advantage. We don't have 69 on our side anymore. It's still pretty powerful though. Boom. Dead. Yes, yes. Alright, bye Camper Drew. I couldn't see what was happening at my side because of the go goggles. Well, bruh. Oh, there's another guy here. A Cacnea! Ah, that's so cool. I remember back in the anime, I think it was Johto, but James had a Cacnea that would just hug him. And that that was the funniest gag to me back when I was younger. Is it would just hug him and be like, "Ooh, Cacnea, don't do that!" Those are the good old days. Now, what's going on with Ash during these days? What is he, like a remade character? And what's that other kid's name? I can't remember, but for some reason that other kid is kind of annoying. When I first saw an episode with him, he was just kind of a know-it-all. And I'm fine with having know-it-alls in you know, in Pokemon adventures, because Brock is somebody who knows a lot about Pokemon, but he's not a dick about it, you know? And then we have like May's younger brother too. He was really smart about Pokemon, but he's not a dick about it either. But this guy, he's like a whole personality and a half wrapped in it. I don't know who he is, but when I first saw him just like kind of be just a know-it-all guy, I was just like, that's not something I like in my Pokemon anime. A Sand Slash though, wow. Yonk. Yo, beefy boy. Holy, hey, that does damage. Glare. Let's go. Paralyzation. Yes. Ah, that's so good. No, how could you miss your... Don't miss. Come on, please. I might have to dose you up on a potion. Alright, guess who's getting a potion? You are. Oh yeah, I forgot to check on Jim's thing. Are you freaking joking? Sucks. Oh. Wow, I didn't know Paralyze could interrupt a dig like that. Alright. Oh! He got through with a little bit of attack left. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay. While I've searched the ruins, I've not searched for strong Pokemon. Bruh, I just trained my Pokemon like to be super good. What ruins though? Oh, I missed. These Sandstorm Pokemon are just... You know... Oh, bites back. Damn. Poison Tail. Shink. Let's go. Okay, nice. Okay. I'm honestly despising the Sandstorm now, because I don't have enough healing items to get through this. He flinched. Let's go. Yep. How far does this go, bruh? Oh, there's a Pokeball here. Another Cacnea. Poison Tail is supposed to work on grass type, right? Is Cacnea poison type? I don't think so. Why did you miss? No, don't. Ah. Damn it. That sucks. That really sucks. Besnick. Yes. Ooh, that hurts. Oh, wow. Alright, we're gonna have to switch out Besnick for, V. And then we're gonna have to check what Jimbo has. Bag is full. I mean, we can use the Super Repel now. What's this? What does Jim have? Rare candy, let's go! Okay. I'm gonna use that on... Oscar's been a good boy. There you go, bro. Thanks, man. Thanks for carrying the team that last fight. TM37! Let me guess. It's called Sandstorm. Yeah. You know? Oh. I heard there are fossils to be found in the desert. Where could they be? I don't know. But I'm gonna check them out like next episode. Yeesh. You're... Why does every sand shrew do that? It fucking sucks, dude. I hate sand shrew. It just sucks because they use dig and then you're just like... Well, I don't want to be hit, man. That's like the default move that they go to. Anyway, yeah, we won that battle. And, sorry. I accidentally dropped something and I just had to pick it up really quick. Fuck, is that all? Is that all to this whole maze? Come on, that can't be it, right? My super repel's about to wear off, actually. Somebody got something. Another rare candy from this guy. Alright, alright. I hear you, brother. I hear you. You're like, yo, that rare candy was for me. Give it to me this time. Okay, okay. Yeesh. This guy. Anyway, oh, thank God we ran out of it just in time. But yeah, on the next episode, we'll keep going on through stuff, and the second I receive a comment or something about getting those fossils, I will jump back there. I will jump back there, get that, and yeah. On the next episode, we'll do stuff. I'm mind logged, and I'm logging off.